Yeah. All right. So let's start. What are we going to learn today? That's a $1 million question. Gautam, you're in which grade? Fifth grade. Very nice. Yaditi, tell me if you have the answer for the $1 million question. It's okay.
Tic-tac-toe, multiplying fractions.
Okay. So yesterday that's what we were doing. We were doing. Yep, Yakian.
Today we're learning introduction to algebra.
Yes, that is the next thing. So what we will do is, yesterday we were talking about tic-tac-toe. Some of you were not convinced about why should we do tic-tac-toe, why should we simplify. Rudraksh, can you sit as if you are in a classroom? Meaning with full attention. Look at Gautam. You have matching dress. I want your matching posture also. Yep. Alright. So when you are in the class, right? What I want, you should be like this. As if you are putting your entire energy for the class. But if you can sit inside, it's okay. Okay? Now, so yesterday we talked about tic-tac-toe, and Gautam must be thinking, what is tic-tac-toe? Don't worry about it. Tic-tac-toe is something that a 49-year-old man plays with. That is me. Okay? So let's look at, and we talked about tic-tac-toe. I will probably explain that to you, Gautam, separately also. But let's look at it real quick. And we will talk about fraction multiplication, fraction division, and these are not new concepts, just the same old concept. We'll spend 5 minutes and then we'll go to order of operations. Kian, that one you missed. Order of operation, then we'll go to introduction to algebra. Yeah?
Introduction to what?
Algebra.
Oh.
We are going to the zoo, see a zebra. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. So, if I say 4 over 8 multiplied by 5 over 10. We are trying to multiply fractions. And it might look difficult, but it is not. Because this is what we've been learning, and we'll practice it more, Gautam, don't worry about it. Now, when I have something to multiply, I can write everything on the second floor in the same place together, and everything on the first floor together. Okay? Now, when I have this, I can simplify it. 4 and 5 are small numbers, I will keep it like this. The 8 that I have, I can write as 4 into 2. Yeah? And 10 I can write as 5 into 2. Yeah? So I did not do anything magical, I just split this into smaller numbers. Now, the tic-tac-toe that I was talking about is, if I have a same matching number above and below both, I can knock them off. I have a matching number here. 4 I also can write as 4 into 1. 4 and 4 I can knock it off. See, this whole thing became what? 1 over 2 into 2. Everything else is gone. This became 1 by 4. This is what we call as tic-tac-toe. What you do is, when you are trying to multiply things, you break them into smaller numbers as factors, or smaller numbers, and then if you have matching numbers, you can remove them. That's why I'm calling tic-tac-toe. See, this fraction multiplication became so very easy, so nice. Okay? So this is what we have learned in the previous class. Right, Aniket? Do you remember? Or you forgot? Or Aniket will say, it doesn't make any sense. Does it still make sense, Bhuvi? Bhuvi making sense, beta? Okay. So Rita, with me? Now, Gautam, you will keep seeing more of tic-tac-toe when we do math, okay? So I'm not going to teach you new things here, okay? You will just see more practice of it. Now we are talking about, yesterday we talked about, okay guys, don't play with emojis, no texting, typing. Everybody keep your videos on, okay? I love seeing you all with your faces visible to me, okay? Okay, now, are you with me so far? Okay. Now, the next thing was fraction division. Somebody says, I have a fraction 8 over 15. Divide that by 5 over 3. Who all knows this in the class? Where's your notebook, Rudraj? Where's your notebook, Mihir? Take your notebook out, okay? See, if you don't do scratch work, if you don't write it down, there's nothing that will stay with you. It's so slippery, it will keep sliding down. So take your notebook out. If you don't have a notebook, oh, keep it here. Keep it here, keep it here. Don't be shy, it's okay. I'm not going to scare you guys unless you give me a reason to.
Forgot again.
What did you forget?
I took it out, but I just put it back in.
Okay, so that's okay. What I'm saying is once you come to the class, make your notebook out, keep your notebook out and then you deal with it. Yes, Shivakeshwar, tell me. Okay, how about you, Riyaz? I'm trying to divide this fraction by this fraction. What happens?
I'm not simplifying, so I got 24 over 70.
This is what you would have got?
No, I said 70.
70. Okay, so tell me, Riyaz, what bribe I need to give you so that you start simplifying things? Because you are not simplifying and that is going to make your life more difficult when you deal with bigger problems. That's why I'm asking you, is there a way I can bribe you so that you start simplifying things? Otherwise, trust me, you will end up spending more time for solving easier problems. Yeah? Yesterday we were discussing about it, right? I gave you enough reasons to believe me. I know it's not easy to believe somebody who's so very old. Yes. Yeah, Nika, tell me better.
I got my answer.
What is that, better?
8 over 25.
8 over 25. Okay, we'll see. How about Aditi, Mandeep, Samanvita, Bhuvi, anybody? Yaved.
I got 8 over 25.
Okay. You, Rudraj, how about you? My neighbor doesn't know much of math, so stop staring my neighbor's house. Notebook. What did you do to get the answer? Tell me. Hmm?
Take that.
I don't like stories unless I see it on the notebook.
So I have an answer.
What is that?
Mine is actually 8 over 15.
8 over 15. Okay. So now some of you have given me answer. Some of you are still working on it. Now pay attention to what I'm doing. And I was under the impression that everybody has understood how to do fraction, multiplication, division, but I still see some of you don't move the table much. It's okay. Otherwise you guys will fall. But I see still not everybody on the same page. Yes, Mishika, tell me what is your answer, beta?
My answer is 825.
8 over 25. How about Aditi?
24 by 75.
24 by 75. That means you also did not simplify it.
I got it.
Yeah.
25 over 8.
Okay. Yep. Yes, Sweeta.
My answer is 8 by 25.
Very nice.
I'm going to say what actually 8 over 25.
8 over 25. So still I see 2-3 varieties of answers. Okay. Gautam must be thinking what is going on here. Nothing fancy. We are all very simple people. Okay. Very, very simple. Your teacher is even simpler. So less intelligent. I am not very intelligent. Okay. I'm very simple aptitude guy. Now this is how it works. I have division. Okay. I have to divide this fraction by this fraction. Yeah. Are you aware of how to do it, or you would want me to explain?
Can you try?
Yes. So this fraction I'm trying to divide by this fraction. Okay? But I have a problem. Who knows what the problem is? Kian, do you remember what problem I have? No? Wait, do you remember what problem I have?
I think the problem you don't know how to do.
See? How
You
to...
don't know.
Yeah, go ahead.
You don't know how to.
See, now Gautam has a bigger worry right now. This is his first class. And with the first class itself, he realized that his teacher doesn't know how to do division of fraction. But I only know multiplication. That's what we were doing before, right? So I only know multiplication. So what did I do? Okay, since I don't know, I change this to multiplication. I have division, I change that to multiplication. And as soon as I did that, somebody gets super angry and flips upside down. Like if I say something bad to somebody, the person in front of me gets angry and starts jumping or shouting back, right? Same thing, I change this division to multiplication. And this guy who was supposed to divide this number got super mad and clicked upside down. So even if whatever story I told you guys, what it means is you can convert a division into a multiplication. When you do so, the number next to it flips upside down.
I forgot because I didn't watch the yesterday's class.
Okay, no, it was not yesterday. I have explained this 4 times. The problem is you guys don't use the notebook. I'm using so much of these markers that within 2 weeks, a pack of 50 markers are gone. I want you guys to waste so much of paper and pencil that every 2 weeks you are running out of paper and pencil. Yeah? And ask daddy to buy more. Okay. Yes, you are saying something. Unmute yourself and tell me what you want to say. Yug.
I think the answer is 44 by 75.
So, now since I'm doing it, you guys watch me and review your answer, okay? Because different kids have given different answers. 8 over 15 divided by 5 over 3. And I converted division to multiplication, and as a result of that, the number next to that flipped upside down. This is what I have. I have fraction multiplication. Same thing. Whatever I have on the second floor stays together. Whatever I have on the first floor stays together. Now, do I have a way to simplify it? Let's see. 8 is an even number. These are odd numbers. I don't think I can divide. But 3. 15 comes in the table of 3. Yeah? I can break this number into smaller pieces. 8 I will keep as 8. And then 15 I can write as 5 into 3. Yeah? And 5 remains 5. See, I can do tic-tac-toe. 1, 3, 1, 3. Matching. Removed it. Now what I have is 8 over 5 into 5. That is 8 over 25. Yeah?
Sir, I didn't mean to do this, but I put 3 on the top and 5 on the bottom, but I did not know I did that, so I got it.
Alright. Okay. No, but what I'm saying is, keep it simple. See, I'm telling you guys a story. I'm not teaching math right now. What did I say? Oh, divide this number by this number. I don't know how to divide, so I will change. I only know multiplication, so I change this to multiplication. As soon as I did that, this flips upside down. Now I have fraction multiplication, which I know very well. I put them together. Now here I see this 15 can be written as 5 into 3. I did that. Then I found an opportunity for doing tic-tac-toe. Oh, this is my answer. We did fraction division in a more playful way. So, Nehit, did you figure out why your answer was 25 over 8 versus mine being 8 over 25? See, 15 over 8. Why did you change this one? This was 8 over 15. So this remains, see, the first one remains same. Let's say if I am trying to move this pencil, rotate this pencil. What is fixed? My hand is fixed. Only the pencil is moving. Same way here, I am trying to divide this guy. This is the pencil that is moving. See, I changed this guy to multiplication. Who moved? Not this guy, only the one next to it. Because I'm going from here to here. I'm trying to divide this by this. I say, okay, this is my number, divide. Okay, I'll not divide this number, I'll multiply this number. So I change this one. Whatever I've done before, that doesn't get changed. Only the thing after that changes. So this thing only flipped. Now, I have a very simple thing to do. Yeah. So don't flip this one. So see, your story is going wrong. What you did, you wrote from this thing. You have to start from here. If you have to tell a story to me, you'll say, okay, I went to the math class, then I attended the class, I learned this thing, I solved 5 problems, 2 of my problems were wrong, 3 were right, this is the marks I got. This is the story. Now, so in the story, your first line of the story is missing. You did not write the question, that's why you would not know what went wrong here. Okay? So, write it like a story, you'll be fine. Yes, Mandeep?
Sir, you're going a little bit too fast for me.
Okay? So, anyways, don't worry about it right now. Fraction, multiplication, division, have you understood, Mandeep?
I still need a little bit help with that.
I'm sorry?
I still need a little bit help with that.
Okay. So, I will do one fraction multiplication, one fraction division. Nobody else has to solve it. I will just narrate the story. Just hear that story, okay? And see if that makes sense to you guys, to everybody. And then we have to move to the next topic. And whoever is not able to follow, or kind of you think that you are forgetting something, the video is there. You will, once I upload the video of the class, what you will do, start the video, watch it for 2 minutes, and when I'm doing the calculation, pause it, then you do the calculation, listen to my next part of the story, pause it, do the calculation, and that's how you go. Yes, Lakshmi, go ahead, beta.
Can we still solve it with you?
You can solve it, but I'm not interested in the answer because some of you who already know about it will be able to do it. Some of the kids who are trying to catch up on it, this is for them. I want to finish this without waiting for your answer, and then we'll go to the next topic, which is about order of operation and an introduction to algebra. Okay, that's why I'm not going to focus on getting the answer from you all. Okay, will that be okay? Now, fraction multiplication. Okay, somebody says 3 over 7 into 21 over 9 into 5 over 10 into 4 over 2. 4 fractions that we have to multiply with each other. When I see all in the fraction form, Mandeep, I assume you are paying attention. Okay? Everybody, I'm assuming that you guys are paying attention. Okay? You can also. So I'm trying to multiply this fraction with this fraction and this fraction and this fraction. These are 4 fractions I'm trying to multiply. All are fractions, don't have to worry. What I will do is, I look at what are the things that I have on the second floor. I'm calling this a second floor, this is the first floor, okay? Everything that I have on the second floor, I will put them together. 3 into 21 into 5 into 4. And this works only for multiplication, okay? Not for adding or subtracting, okay? Don't do it that way. So, yeah, Mishika. No, so I'm still doing it, but I just hold it. Okay, this is just for the kids who have not understood it yet. Yeah, what happened?
Can I go to the bathroom?
What did I say yesterday? Anybody and everybody who's wanting to go to the bathroom, what you will do? Just click on this once and go without even asking for it. Okay? Alright. Now, everything that I had in the second floor, I have written it down. Whatever I had in the first floor, I will write it down as well. Now, here, look at 3, 4, 5, 2, these are small numbers. But I have a bigger number, 21, and a number 9 and a 10. Let me try breaking it down. 3 is a small number, I will not touch that. 21 I can write as 7 into 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Then I have a 5. 5 is a prime number, I cannot break it. Let it be 5. 4, I can write as 2 into 2. Yeah?
Yes.
Here when I come, 7 is a prime number again, I cannot break it, I will keep it as 7. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Yeah?
Yes.
10 also I can write as 5 into 2. And then I have a 2. Mandeep, are you with me?
Oh, you have 2 sevens, 1 3.
Okay, okay,
Can
go.
you speak a little bit more time?
I'm sorry, Vita.
I didn't give me like a few more seconds.
That's okay. Yeah, Nika, tell me, Vita.
I got my hands up.
This is not a question for anybody to answer, okay? I'm just, some of the kids who are not sure about it, I'm just explaining them one more time, okay? Now, but good that you guys are getting answer, that is fine. This 3 and this 3 gone. One more 3 gone. Make sure that the numbers that you are striking off are doing tic-tac-toe with, they are on different places. Above and below. Above and below, okay? It cannot be this 3 and this 3 gone, no. Okay? Now, this 5 and this 5 also gone. This 2 and this 2 also I can do tic-tac-toe.
I think so.
This 2 and this 2 also I can do tic-tac-toe. And this 7 also I can do tic-tac-toe. What do I have? Nothing. But actually, you know what? There's a 1 that is missing. Any number 3 I can write as 3 into 1, 7 as 7 into 1, 5 as 5 into 1, right? So, when you come across a situation like this, when you have nothing, you can assume that, okay, there was a 1 that we did not account for, okay? So, that becomes 1. Let's say, if you have a prime number 3, let's make it a practice. If you have a 3, you can write this as 3 into 1. That doesn't do any harm, right? If you get 50 by 20 into 1, it remains as 50 by 20, that's it. Something multiplied by 1 remains the same thing. Yeah? Mandeep, is this clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now this was on fraction multiplication. Then the next one is on fraction division, and that is something that I have not learned till date. I don't want you guys to learn as well. I am trying to divide 4 by 8 by 1 over 2. Yep.
I think you can change the division sign to a multiplication sign and then swap it to one.
See, this is what you said. So when I had division, change that to multiplication, and whatever was there after this one, just flip upside down. And Gautam got this in one go. He's saying that, okay, now you can write this as 4 into 2. I have all fraction multiplication, whatever we know, that's what we can use. 8 into 1. Let's do one thing, always put a 1 extra. Let's make it a practice. Now, I have 4 into 2 into 1 divided by 8 into 1. I can write 8 as 4 into 2, correct? This one. Okay, let's write one more one. You can literally play with this. Okay, if you don't like, you write 4 more times 1. No harm. 1 into 1 to 1 to 1 to 1, 200 times, you issue only 1.
It's going to be the same.
I'm just putting extra ones. Okay? Now here, this
Sir, I
4,
got the answer.
I'm not interested in the answer right now. I'm just explaining this to the kids who are trying to learn it, okay? So that's why. 2 and 2 gone. What I have? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 5 times 1 is 1. 1 divided by 1. Same thing, 1. So this is fraction division. When you have fraction, one fraction to be divided by another fraction, you change that to multiplication. This flips upside down. Then it's the same fraction multiplication that you can do. Yeah? Is everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mandeep, Yug, everybody clear? Are you back from the bathroom, Yug? Are you enjoying good time there? Yug, are you back?
Yes, sir, I'm back.
Okay. So, okay, this is the deal. When anybody has to go, Shiva Kesava, take that hat out. Yeah. Everybody will remain their own best. Imagine me putting a big beard and this thing as my profile. How would that look? Don't do that. Okay. So here's the deal. When somebody has to go to restroom, don't even stop the discussion. Just flash it once and go. When you are back from the restroom, click on this. I would know that okay, somebody is back. Okay. Riyaz, carry on. Now we are going to talk about order of operation. What does it mean actually? What do you mean by order of operation? Any story that somebody can tell me?
Is it the padlock technique?
Mm-hmm.
I learned this in a different center before.
Okay. Yeah, Nahita, tell me. What? Yeah, wait, go ahead. Yeah, Nahita, tell me.
It's basically the order of hierarchy.
I'm sorry?
It's the order of hierarchy.
Yeah. Okay. So, yes, Lakshmi, go ahead, beta. I have, let's say, 5 plus 4 divided by 3 into 9 minus 2 plus 7. Let's see who all can solve this and give me the answer. Once I see the answers, then I will tell you guys what I'm trying to teach here. I have addition, I have bracket, I have division, I have multiplication, I have subtraction, and I have addition again. I want you guys to solve it, and that will give me some clue with respect to what you guys know and what you need to practice. Everybody, make sure that you are wasting 2 pages at least for solving this problem. Yes, Anika.
32.
You already got 32? Okay, so that's a good thing that Anika has found the answer. But what I would suggest, Anika or anybody who has finished it, is review your answer, okay? Because when I come to solving it, if you made a mistake, you will be able to figure it out. If I make the mistake, you'll be able to tell me, okay? So make sure that when you do it, review your answer as well. I mean, once you're done. Okay. Anika said 32. Let me not tell this to everybody. I will let everybody finish this problem first.
So,
Yep.
I checked my answer. I was done, but I checked it again, and yes, I have 32.
Okay. How about Sohita, Naita, Mishika? Yes, Mishika, go ahead with that.
My answer is 32.
Mm-hmm.
I got 32.
You
I
also
got
got
the
30,
same answer, and I still double checked and I got the same answer still.
32. Okay.
But I still need some practice on it because it's my first time doing it like this.
Okay. Well, that you will get enough opportunity for. When I give you guys assignment, that will give you a chance. Yes, Naita, go ahead, beta.
I need some more time because I just got a pen from
Okay. Finish. Yep.
I got 32.
Okay. Yes, Aditi.
I got 32.
You also got 32. So it's making me believe that everybody here knows. Yes, Sabanvita, tell me.
I got 32.
You also got 32. Wait,
I got 32.
Mandeep.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
I was actually, adding, then multiplying, and then adding, and then putting the symbols, and then doing it. I was just putting together to make it short, and then I got the answer.
Okay. Yeah, Sivakeswa, tell me, what's your answer?
32, sir.
Okay. Wait, you're saying something? No, okay.
No.
Okay, so I will not spend much time on this one because it makes me think. What is the answer?
I made a mistake. I put subtraction before the addition.
Doesn't matter actually. Subtraction and addition is perfectly fine. Likewise, multiplication division is also fine. The problem creators are brackets, and switching between addition, subtraction or division. Addition, subtraction can be done interchangeably, not a problem. Multiplication, division can be done together, not a problem. I mean, there is no priority among them. But when you choose, you have to choose between addition and division or multiplication or subtraction or division. That is where it goes wrong. Yes, Lakshmi.
I got 32.
Okay, Rayans.
I also got 32.
Okay. So Rayans is waiting for a bribe from me. Okay, I'll figure out what that bribe would be for getting into the habit of simplification. But okay, it's okay. I'll just leave. Now here, I don't think we have to learn anything here, but I would still do something wrong, and that will make it more convincing for you. No drawing in the math class. Here. What I want to do is that, okay, what if we don't follow this rule called BODMAS or PAMDAS? Okay? BODMAS is actually very BODMAS.
So,
Yep.
BODMAS stands for brackets, operations, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction.
You will make me jobless soon. I'm just kidding. Okay. So yeah, you guys know it. B stands for brackets. First thing is whatever inside the bracket, that you have to take care first. So this takes the highest precedence. O stands for order of operation. That is, we'll talk about exponents. That is when we'll come to this. So, yep.
Another way you can do that is PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents,
PEMDAS. It's PEMDAS.
yeah, PEMDAS.
Yeah. Anyways, don't worry about it. So what I'm trying to prove here is BODMAS is very BODMAS. In Hindi, I mean, I'm not sure who all knows Hindi here. Some of you certainly do. BODMAS, there's a word in Hindi which says badmash, means naughty. So this is a naughty rule. If you don't follow it, your math will get more naughty. Your answers will be surprisingly wrong. Okay? So that's why I keep on relating this. Say, okay, fine. If I don't obey this rule, this thing will become naughty. My answer will go wrong. Okay? That's how I relate it. But don't stress out for Hindi is a language. If some of you know, wonderful. If some of you don't know, it's perfectly fine. Nothing to worry. But yeah. Now, Siva Kesava, take the cap out, beta. Otherwise, BODMAS will come biting you. Okay. So here, first you will take care of bracket, then order of operation, that is exponents. Don't worry about it. There is nothing exponents here. D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, S is subtraction. Between D and M, you can do either division or multiplication first. Between A and S, addition and subtraction, you can do either way first. That's okay. That doesn't do any harm. So now if you look at it, the way you guys did was perfectly fine. That's how you got 32. So if I do it, first the bracket, 5 plus 4 is 9, divided by 3 into 9 minus 2 plus 7. So in the first step, I only took care of the B, the bracket part, and I got this. Then comes O, order of operation or exponents. There is no exponent here, let's not worry about it. Then division. Do I have a division here? Yeah, 9 over 3. That gives me 3. So what you are seeing here is, in one step I am doing only one thing. Here I did bracket and got this. Everything else I just copy pasted. Then I did division. So I did division here and got this answer. Everything else I copy pasted. Now multiplication. After division, multiplication. 3 times 9 is 27. Everything else I copy pasted. Then addition. Okay. So what do I have for addition? 27 plus 7, 32 minus 2. Now I'm coming to subtraction. 32 minus 2 is, 37 minus plus 7 is 24. Minus 2 is 32. So this is what you guys did. But your teacher is Badmas. Your teacher is trying to be naughty here. And what I did was, I said, no, I don't care. I will just do the way I want. Okay, let me take care of these two, add these two. Okay, or yeah, okay. I don't like subtraction, I will just subtract. 9 minus 2. So I'll keep this one as like this. Into 9. Oh, okay, this 9 minus 2 I will keep it as 7 plus 7. Okay. I'm just playing with it. Then 5 plus 4, 9 I did, divide by 3 into, I just added these two, 7 plus 7, so that now I have a smaller number. I'm going the wrong direction right now. I'm trying to be naughty here. I'm trying to tell you guys why my answer matters. If I'm not, how my answer differs if I am not following the Bodmas rules. Now let's say 9 divided by 3, that is 3 into 14. What did I get? 42. 14 to 3 gives me 42. Right, Mishika? 14 table of 14, 14 times 3 is 42. See, my answer changed. And I can get different varieties of answers if I don't follow one rule. So Bodmas gives us the method to the madness. Meaning, when you have operations to do, first you will do bracket, then you will do division or multiplication, then you will do plus or minus. So here, I was saying that if I, see my answer is 32 which is right, okay. So here, if I change between division and multiplication, what happens? I was saying that, hands down.
Okay, later.
Yeah, yep.
Sir, there's like 27 minus 2, but there's also 2 plus 7. I can't choose any.
Right, so see right now, we are not trying to do anything different. What I'm trying to do is, how many ways we can go wrong. And that's what I did. You all will follow the same method, Bodmas or PEMDAS, okay? But I'm saying, what I was saying was that between division and multiplication, if you change the order, it doesn't matter. It remains the same.
Can we do 2 plus 7 instead of 27 minus 2?
No. Why would you do 2 plus 7 here? Because that is changing the whole rule. Yeah? If 2 times 4 is 8, why would you say my answer is 2 times 4 is 9? That is against the table's rule. So here also, you will not do 2 plus 7. That's what my answer is. Because if you are doing it now, you are breaking this thing. Only thing that I was trying to say was, between division and multiplication, you can do whichever one you want to do first. Let's say, here I have division, here I have...
After division is in multiplication.
After division is multiplication, that's what it says, division then multiplication. What I'm trying to do here is, I will do first multiplication, then I will do division and see if my answer changes.
What she is asking, sorry for interruption, sir. What she is asking now after division multiplication, here minus 2 plus 7 is that she is doing addition. That's what she is asking.
Okay, no, that's fine with us. See, between addition, subtraction, whichever you do first, that is perfectly fine. As long as you have done bracket, division and multiplication, and now you have to choose between addition and subtraction, you can choose either of them. Okay?
Okay.
So let's look at it. Right now we have not come to addition and subtraction. I'm only talking about division and multiplication. Okay? So let's say I have taken care of this part. So 5 plus 4 is 9, divided by 3 into 9 minus 2 plus 7. Now we have come to a point where I have a division and I have multiplication. Now the question is, can I do division first or is it okay to do multiplication first? What would be the answer? Between division and multiplication, you took care of the bracket thing, okay, and you have come here. If I do division first or I should do multiplication first, which one is, yeah?
I'm pretty sure you can pick.
You can pick. That's, yeah, wait. Right. So when you are at a point where you have to choose between division and multiplication, so it pay attention beta, okay? I'll come to the addition subtraction also, okay? So I have to choose between division and multiplication, and the deal is whichever you want to do, it's okay, no harm. So let's say division would be the rule here. I will do multiplication first. Let's see what happens. 9 divided by 3 times 9. 27. Okay? Minus 2 plus 7. What is happening now?
The answer is still 32.
No, it is not. When you divide 9 by 27, it will be 9 over 27. 1/3. 1/3 minus 2 plus 7. Will this be?
Which the answer is 3.
No.
Like dividing 9 minus 2, 9.
Dividing 9 by 3 would have been 3. But I was saying that okay, we can do division or multiplication whichever we like. That was wrong. I was purposefully trying to misguide you guys. Okay? That this rule is so strict that you have to follow this order. So Ita, did I answer your question now? Do bracket, then you do exponents, then you do division, then you go to multiplication, then you go to addition, then you go to subtraction. Any change to that is non-negotiable. Yes, Riyaz?
The answer for it is 8.
This one is a wrong answer by all means because the whole method is wrong. So I was not intending to find the answer for this. I had only one plan in mind to tell you that never ever change this. You have to follow this like Bible, like any holy book that you believe in. Okay? Mandeep, tell me.
Can you show us the correct way then?
Correct way is not mine. This is what Bodmas says. First you do bracket. One last time and then we'll move on to introduction to algebra. Okay? Now look at this. I'm not going to use or waste my brain inventing something new. I will just follow this Bodmas. Okay? Hey, who is this? This AI is sending messages after messages. You like Kian, question mark, question mark, question mark, 200 question marks. I like all of you, each one of you. Okay? So there is no Kian. For me, every child is my favorite. Now, come back to this. It says, Bodmas, first bracket, then exponents or order of operation, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. I'll follow this blindly, okay? Now first the bracket. Whatever I have, where's the bracket? Here. So whatever is inside the bracket, that is what I'll take care of first. 5 plus 4, 9. Done. And then rest of the things I am copy pasting right now. Okay? Now bracket is taken care of. Okay, bracket is done. Do I have any exponent or anything? No. Forget about it. Then I have division. Do I have a division? Yes. 9 over 3 is 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Done. So 9 over 3 gives me a 3 here. Like 5 plus 4 gives you a 9 here. I mean, if you just want to know what is that. Then this part is done. Then I have a 9. I am just copy pasting everything else. Now division is also taken care. Now multiplication. Do I have multiplication? Yes. 3 times 9 is 27 minus 2 plus 7. See, this part is this. Okay. So, okay. Now multiplication is also taken care. Then I have a plus addition. Do I have addition here? Yes, I have a plus 7. So 27 plus 7 gives me 34. and minus 2. At the end, I will take care of subtraction. That will be 32. 34 minus 2 is 32. So, now the rule or the law here is, don't ignore this value. If you ever think that I can switch, I don't know any of you. If you guys switch between them. Because the first question that will be asked to me is, what did you teach your kids that they are getting wrong answer? Yeah? So don't, on a serious note, BODMAS is a rule that you have to follow blindly. Yeah? Everybody? Rudraksh? Where are you? With me or somewhere? With my neighbor? Neighbor? Yep. Yeah, Kian. What happened?
Nothing, sir. I accidentally asked Yog to pay times my hand.
So now the question to everybody. Are we all crystal clear about the BODMAS rule?
Yes. Yes.
Mishika, Aniket, Samanvita, Bhuvi, everybody? Everybody clear? Sivakeswa, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhuvi, are you clear, beta? Bhuvi is not talking to me. What happened? All clear? Are you clear? Guys, stop playing with emojis. That's not needed. Emojis are not at all needed. Can you please stop playing with emojis? Do I have to say it again? Riyans? Ved? Anika? Everybody? Okay, Anika wants to go to the restroom. That's okay. Alright. So, BODMAS rule is clear. It's no more BODMAS. Meaning it's not naughty anymore. As long as you follow it blindly, diligently, honestly, religiously. Yeah? Okay? You can clear? Yes, Mandeep.
Do we have to follow the BODMAS rule only in math or daily life?
No, that will be a little too much. If you have to follow BODMAS for daily life, that will be difficult. I mean, again, what I'm saying is, when you have to choose between all the different operations of math, BODMAS rule is only for dealing with operations of math. Let's say you have to choose between, shall I eat rice or chapati? Would you use BODMAS rule?
No.
BODMAS rule will not help you actually. Okay? So BODMAS rule only helps you choose between which operation to do first if I have bracket, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Mommy says, do you want to go to school today? You say, let me apply the BODMAS rule and tell you. Answer will be something not reliable enough. Okay? Alright, so let's park that question. I hope I was able to explain that, Mandeep. I hope that makes sense to everybody. So BODMAS is only for choosing between the operations that you have, right? And we saw that if you switch the priority between different operations, meaning you do multiplication first, then you do division, or you do anything before doing brackets, your answer would be very different, and that is not something that you are wanting to do. Now comes introduction to algebra. And are we ready? Lakshmi, Samrita, Sohita, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. So, introduction to algebra. It has a zebra in it. We have no plan for a trip to a zoo. It's something that is a little unique. Maybe that's why its name is also a little funny. And you see algebra. So, I mean, this one sounds more like algebra, but let's keep it aside. When we talk about algebra, let's start our journey with algebra first in a different way. I got one phone. I got one phone for $15. I bought this phone for $15, let's say. Okay. If I want to buy 20 phones, how much I have to pay?
So you would have to pay $300.
So don't tell me the answer. Don't tell me the answer. You always tell me how did you arrive at 300? That's what I'm more interested in. Little louder, beta.
50 times 25.
50 times 25. Okay. 50 times 25. Is that 300?
Wait, how many phones?
Again, let me write it down. If I bought one phone for $15, how many dollars I have to pay for buying 50 phones? Yeah, Naita.
Sir, you have to pay for, you have to multiply how much you pay for every phone to get your answer, because if you pay like that much for every single phone,
Okay.
then they'll be answering.
Okay, Meshika.
The answer would be 750.
Okay. How about Sohita? What is Sohita saying?
360.
360. Sivakesava, what is the answer?
360.
360.
Sir,
Yep. Yeah, Kian.
my answer is 750, and
Wait there. Don't make me jobless. I'll come to you guys, okay? If you explain everything, I'll not be able to. I'm just trying to get everybody's answer first. And see, I'm not really interested in the answer right. I'm just trying to see if you guys are able to wrap your head around this one. So Nihit, what will be your, if you know one phone comes for $15, how many dollars you would need to spend for buying 50 phones? Or how many dollars you would have to spend for buying 2 phones, let's say?
is it 50 phones?
Yeah.
Um,
I want to do black marketing of phones. Make a lot of money.
24 phones. Can I multiply it again?
Yes, please. Lakshmi, tell me, what will be your...
I thought it was 54 phones, not 50 phones.
Okay. So, just because we have only 3 more minutes left, let's quickly wrap our head around this one. See, this is... Guys, everybody go on mute, please. 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 We have only 3 minutes. I'm just trying to give you guys a jump start before we get deeper into it in the next class. So everybody hands down. It's very simple, okay? If I, let's say, I buy one potato.
Sir, my answer is 750.
Everybody on mute, please. Everybody on mute. If I buy one potato for, let's say, $2. Super expensive, but it's okay. If I have to buy 2 potatoes, I'll have to pay every price of every potato times that many potatoes. If I have to buy 5 potatoes, I have to pay price of one potato, the price of one potato times number of potatoes. If I have to buy 200 potatoes, I'm having a party at home, 200 multiplied by the price of one potato. 10,000 potatoes, price of one potato times 10,000. This is your starting point for algebra. Now when you talk about algebra, we will learn what is known, what is unknown, how do we use the interesting variables. So far we have been dealing with numbers. Somebody says, okay, x plus 10 equal to 20. Find out the value of x. Here x is an unknown, only these numbers are known. don't rush for answer. I have hatred for answers. I hate answers. I like approach.
Wait, I know how to do it.
Okay, hold it. We are about to conclude the class. Don't do it right now. I'll give you guys enough assignments to practice it. But it's okay. It's okay. Calm down. My only message to you guys was that algebra is a subject which will enable us to learn how to deal with knowns and unknowns together using mathematics. And what we have done today, Usher, you hold it. You guys are not paying attention in math. You guys are more interested in playing with the emojis. That's not needed. Arav, hold it. So, what I was saying was, the basic of algebra is, it tells us how to deal with numbers and some unknowns. And there are different methods for doing it using math. We'll talk about that more in the coming classes. Next 1 or 2 class, maybe 3 classes we'll spend for dealing with algebra and having more fun around algebra, okay? So with that being said, I will let you guys go. It's almost top of the hour. But what I don't like much is when you guys see when I see you guys rushing for answers. I have no affinity for answers. I don't like answers actually. I like how you solve the problems. Because if you know how to solve a problem, you can solve thousands of problems. If you just know the answers, you just know one answer. Yeah? Anahita, you're saying something, beta? No? Alright, I'll let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Wait for the assignment. Do the assignment. Show it to your parents, okay? Don't keep it to yourself.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Alright, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.